I'm Eddie, a chef at Donald Russell, and I want to tell you about our sharing steaks. They give you a top restaurant experience in your own home and everyone gets to join in. I've done a separate video on how to cook these steaks, so today we'll just have a look at what they are and how I like to serve them. Take a look at these beautiful steaks. They're really thick cut, ready for you to carve into slices when they're done. Naturally, they're prime grass-fed British beef and they've been dry aged to perfection. This makes them fantastically tender with a seriously deep flavour that I just love. We've got a whole range of these available, including fillet, sirloin, ribeye and pavé rump, as well as some bone-in ones for a bit of extra theatre at your table. We'd usually allow one of these steaks between two, but I like leftovers, so today I'm doing 3 between 4 of us: tomahawk, sirloin and the fillet. Now we're going to sear these and cook them at a low temperature, which is a great foolproof method for getting perfectly pink, tender steaks every time. You can even do more than one at once, which is great for a crowd, and if your guests are running late, you can just keep them warm until you're ready to serve, no problem. While they're in the oven, I'm just going to get some of my favourite sides together. The beauty of serving steaks this way is that you can just mix and match with whatever you fancy. If someone wants salad and someone else wants fries, that's fine. There's my thermometer saying they're ready, so we can start to slice them up. For the tomahawk, I'm taking it off the bone first, and always use an unserrated knife. It gives a much cleaner cut. See how nicely pink they are all the way through, gorgeous. Slice across the grain, nice and thinly, so everyone gets a taste of each steak. You'll be amazed how much difference there is between them when you taste them side by side like this. Now everyone, your steaks. Now, you see how easy this is, and it's fair to say everyone is loving it, and it doesn't look like I'm going to have any leftovers after all.